back to my channel. I am whispering because everybody is asleep. It is 6:45 right now. I need to start cooking. I've been up since, I want to say like 4 o'clock. I end up doing my toast just now. I just now finished. So now I'm about to start cooking. To do the pot roast first, and I hope y'all can hear me because I'm whispering and my voice is sore, so it's like I don't know if y'all can hear me, but anyway, I'm about to cook the pot roast first. About to put the turkey in the water to boil, make some little turkey broth, and then the steaming sweet potatoes. So yeah, I'm about to just get started. And yeah, the kids are going, everybody's sleeping, so the kids are opening their gifts today. So yeah, when they wake up, you know, we're going to record them opening their gifts from their grandma today, and then we're going to cook, and then we're going to head out to the woods, okay? So yeah, let's get into this video, okay? Don't wake her up.
Merry Christmas Eve.
All right.
Can we open it?
Yeah, go ahead.
I got a watch. I got my watch.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Lord.
I got my watch. Oh. I opened this.
You open it? Come see, Mama.
Oh.
That one for you.
Oh, let's go, baby.
Mm-hmm. Nerf gun wars.
Can I try it out?
Come down here, Mama.
You know what? You stand and squeeze up and you hit them.
Can I try it?
Here, Mama, come sit right here. Rip it up. Rip it up, girl. Rip it up.
I'm going to help.
Whoa.
Let's go. Let's go, baby. On a Monster Jam scooter. Let's go. I wonder what I do. I got Monster Jam. Let's go.
What you have, bro? What is that? A robot?
You know what that is?
Astronaut?
There's an astronaut, and at night, when you're ready to go to bed, it shows all the stars and planets on the ceiling.
I never had
Mama, let's see if Mama got another one. Open it, Mama. Coco melon.
Whoa! But I never had this thing before.
Well, you got the skateboard.
There's a dump in the house.
All right, here. Why do you have that?
For my Nintendo Switch, of course.
Where? Oh, you got a Nintendo Switch?
Yeah.
Where?
What is that?
Oh, this is yours.
Oh, yes. It's,
What is that?
it's that Super Mario! Oh!
What?
Oh, that's why Santa bought that, because you RC Shark remote control.
Oh yeah, baby, Santa's dope.
Mama, please be careful.
Here, Layla, you have some more stuff. You open that? Open that.
Here, Mom.
You got that?
We on the road. We got some gas. Just leaving Speedway. Okay. Hey, first off, are we in Tennessee now or are we still in Georgia? We still in Georgia? Okay. We have an hour and 43 minutes till we get to our destination. Okay. So we're going to see what this Airbnb looks like, you know. My privacy is ending as it gets darker, so if I get blurry, y'all understand. But yeah, it looks really nice out here. 42 minutes away, or 41 minutes away. And soon we will be there. I didn't even go to sleep yet. I'll see y'all once we get to the Airbnb, okay? Alright, we enter in. Oh, that's nice. Here is a bed, and thankfully the beds upstairs is close to this room. This is the main room
It looks good up here.
with the TV,
Mommy, look good up
bed, and then this door leads to. Let's see what this door leads to. Oh, right here in the front. Hey, Tyler. This is what the bed is. Huh? You need help? Okay, so hold it real. You come. Take one step at a time.
Oh no, I bet you.
You want to take them off? All right, and then there's two beds up here.
My bed.
Mama is definitely not laying up here.